YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the AirPod Pro, which is the second edition. So yeah, my son got this from his graduation as a gift. So I'm going to unbox this. So let's go ahead and open this up. AirPods Pro wireless charging case. So let's go and open it up. Designed by Apple in California. And inside here you got the quick user guide. So you should automatically sync in to your iPhone when you try to open up the case. So unfortunately they don't give you any stickers. So it comes with the charging cable. It's a USB Type-C to Lightning charging adapter. And you got the extra ear adapter. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. Let me see if I could sync it while I open this up. Wow. So all you need to do is just press connect. And then it shows the battery level for the AirPods Pro, and then the case. So it shows 44% on the AirPods Pro, and then the case 34%. And then click on done. And you're all set. What you need to do is just take them out. And then start using it. Let's go ahead and check on MACDADDY channel.
Anyone can go fast, but is fast enough?
Let me check it out. What's going on? So it says AirPods Pro is connected, so I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, I had to wear them on my ear. Let me play again. Okay. So when I remove it, it just automatically pause. So you will need to wear both at the same time in order to play music. If you remove one of them, it will not allow you to play. See, when I take this one out, it just pause it. What the? That's weird. When I put it together, the dial was in my ear, so. Well, anyway, here's the charging adapter. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.